So hello coders, today I've come up with another simple challenge for you. So yeah, here's a challenge. Look at that, scrolling horizontally. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today, and you can see this beautiful hover effect. Yeah, just simple design. So let's get into it. Yeah, so I have the skeleton over here, so let's just get into it. Home. Okay, let me add some styling over here. Font family sans serif. Then add a box sizing, border box, a margin of 0, padding of 0. Now yes, dot home. It's going to have a minimum height of 100 people height, position relative. That's some basic styling. Sorry, yeah. Background. Okay, let's see about that. Let's open it over here. Yeah, look at that. This is what we're making. Yeah, now that is the home page. So let's begin with the nav bar. Okay, so nav. We'll have the logo the name is designer. Yeah, designer. Then dot socials, let's call them socials. Yeah, they'll have yeah, you can give them a. Yes, a. Copy pastes. How many are there? 1 2 3 4 6. These are 4 5 6. Okay, you can give them each a letter. Socials, and then at the back, at the right side, we have the burger. So you can call it a burger. It'll have 3 lines. Give them a div of yeah, never meant to do that. Yeah, what am I doing? Yeah, dot line. What am I doing? Oh my word. Yeah, dot line, copy, paste 3 times. Yeah, so this line 1 2 and 3. Now let's put some styling. Dot nav. Now height is 10 people height. It'll have a border bottom of that. Yes, and the display is flex. Then align items to the center, and then justify content space between with a padding of 0, top and bottom, 2 rem left and right. Now we need to also do that to the social, so I can just align well. So display is flex direction is row, and flex wrap. No, don't need the flex wrap, but we need to add this styling over here. Yeah, and then what else? The burger, we are yet to define that. Yeah, so let's see what we have. Yeah, we have that. I think I added above the bottom. So the nav. Okay, so the width should be 100%. What is not happening? So let's first add text decoration to none to remove the socials. Now let's add some styling to the A's. Okay, we have to find out. I have not linked the style CSS. I had that's what we hadn't linked. Sorry about that. So the socials, copy, then paste, and add an A. So we're going to give it a padding of 5 rem, and a border of 1 pixel solid black. Yeah, so we're going to also give a margin of 0.1 rem. I think 1 rem is quite good. Yes, and now let's give a pole radius of to rem top right 0. That's top. This is a top left. This is top right. This is bottom right. We're going to give a 2 rem, and then bottom left 0. Look at that. Yeah. Now let's just add padding. Yeah, look at that. Now you have to define the logo. The logo a font size is 1.6 rem, then color is black. Yep. And then let's give it a letter spacing of 1.5 pixels. Wonderful. Now I think we're going to reduce this padding a little bit. 8. Yeah, look at that. Now I think we can now add the tags. So it's we're going to give it a class of fa. We're going to define that. Then we're going to define it. I think we're just going to go through 3 schools. Font awesome. No, icons. It will be font awesome icons. Yeah, icons font awesome. Just need to get the icons. I've seen that will be a little bit hectic, so let's get rid of that and do it Facebook. Yeah, we need this Facebook. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Copy it. Okay, let's paste it in here. Oh, I also need the link. Okay, we're going to get that over here. W3 schools font awesome. Font awesome, so I can get the link. Yeah, and here it is. Copy, then paste it in here. Yeah, so that what is happening? It's not coming. It's not showing up. Why not? Facebook F fab. I think this should be FA. Yep, definitely. So I think let's search for font awesome icons. I don't know why. Okay, let's see about the next icon is Instagram, Twitter. Yes, get up. Yeah, Instagram. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, now this is what I want. Copy, then paste. You can do this. You can just do it and then continue with the video. It's a little bit taking some to Twitter, Snapchat. Yeah, it's taking some time over here. Twitter. Okay, paste everything here. Copy and paste. Now the next is Snapchat. Snapchat Ghost. Yeah, that's what I want. It's here. Then WhatsApp and video. Copy, then paste. Then the next is WhatsApp. What's up, people? Yeah, what's up? Now lastly we have Vimeo. Yeah, here we go. So that's that. Copy. Oops. Okay, paste. Okay, now we have all our icons. Yeah, now what we need to do is change the color to black. So yeah, the socials, the color will be that. Yeah, look at that. What we do next is adding the burger icon. Now the burger, yeah, the burger, get all the lines, the divs in it, give them a width. Okay, what am I doing? A width of 35 pixels and a height of 3 pixels with a background of black. Yeah, it's an all black season. Okay, and give the burger a styling of a cursor pointer. Yeah, I think we have them. The cursor, you can see its pointer. Yes, now dot line 1, going to translate y minus 4 pixels, and then dot line 3, going to translate y 4 pixels, and then dot line 2, we're going to give it a width of 20 pixels. Line 2, where is not happening? Okay, I think I cannot declare. Okay, let's do that, then add that over there, that over here. Yeah, there we go, have it over there. Now what we are left with is these. Yeah, the images, I have some images in my folder. Yeah, that's what I'm going to add. Okay, now let's call it dot image div. Yeah, image div will have a box. The box will contain an image. The image is model 1. Yeah, I think yeah. Now the image div, copy dot that, a mean height of 80 pixel height, a position relative. Let's do some basic styling. Yeah, and now the overflow should be hidden. Yes, the overflow should be hidden. Okay, now the box have a width of 350 pixels, 350, and a height of 500 pixels. An overflow hidden. Its overflow has to be hidden. And then dot box image width 100%, height 100%, then object fit cover. Yeah, let's see what we have. Okay, now we need to also give the image div some padding of 1 rem, top and bottom, left and right. Yes, like that. Yeah, now the next thing is to add a transform. Scale. The scale is 1.05. Now dot box image hover. The transform scale will be 1 with a transition effect of all 0.4 seconds linear. Okay, why isn't that? Yes, look at that. Wonderful. Now I think I need to give the box a border radius of 0.2 rem. Yeah, now look at that. Wonderful. Now let's add the other boxes. Now just copy and paste. Okay, look at that. Now what we haven't done is add a style at the image div. Display is a flex. Now the flex direction is row. Yeah, that's what we needed to do. Yeah, now you can see that the divs are quite fixed. They're quite close to each other, and if you give them a margin right of 2 rem for an example, yeah, the width is still has been compromised. Now what the solution to that is giving it a minimum width of 350 pixels. See that? Yeah, so let's just add image, the model images for, I think there's 7, 5, 6 and 7. Yeah, oops, maybe I did. Yeah, like that. Okay, now we have, now what we are here to have is the horizontal scroll. Now we're going to take this div and start a script over here. Let models, let's call the models container equal to document. Let's get the class name dot image div. Okay, now the models container dot add event listener. The event listener here will be the wheel, the mouse. It will scroll using the mouse, and we're going to give it an event in it. Okay, now events dot prevent default. We're preventing the the vertical scroll. And then next we're going to add a models container dot scroll to the left, then plus equals event dot delta, delta y. Yeah, and it's done. There we go. You can see everything. Now we can still enlarge the box and give it can give this a 90 viewport height and add this to 550. Yeah, awesome. Now look at that. There is your horizontal scroll. Yeah, it's simple, direct. So see you in the next challenge.